Hey guys, Nick here with Texas Outdoors coming to you June 30th, 2020, right in the midst of what I guess would be the second wave of this coronavirus crap going on. So we are still building, still busier than ever. We're super excited, super happy to have all the business we've had. We thank you very much. Everybody across the country, across the world ordering from us, super thankful. We're still pumping out product as fast as we can, outfits, getting stuff done, which leads me into this one. This is a 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew XP 1000, brand new, guys. It's got something pretty cool about it. We'll get to it in a minute. We're going to start off, of course, like we always do, front ranch armor bumper. Front replacement. This is a single bull bar. He didn't want to do the headlight guards. All of our bumpers come with the optional headlight guard. Some people like the cleaner, simple look, which, you know, sometimes being on the vehicle I think looks cool as well. So this is what this customer liked. We did the KFI 4500, and all of our winches, guys, and most winches on the market tuck right behind this first plate here. We put a mounting plate there with clutch access, everything. You've got your laser, and guys, I always reiterate this, but laser cut everything. Fiber laser, CNC press broke everything. Beautiful finish, beautiful fit. Nothing fits like our stuff. Hitch tube here. We put a weld nut on all of our hitch tubes, front or back bumpers, to keep your feeders or any baskets that you decide to put in there from teetering, vibrating, making noise, moving around. So that's something pretty cool we do. You'll notice this one's lifted and it's got some pretty good sized tires on it. Nice, practical, utilitarian vehicle though. This has got the 31-inch Maxxis BuckShot light-duty truck tires. They are DOT radials. They are steel ply tires, guys, and they've got a high rubber composition, so the wear rating on them is very good. They're going to last you guys quite a bit. We're on the 15 MSA M40 Rogues. Just a nice finish. Overall, just a really cool-looking vehicle. Nice and aggressive, but clean. So I love it. It's got the forward A-arms too, of course, because you would not be able to fit these puppies without the forward high lifter A-arms. That brings us to the windshield. We do pretty much 99% of the time OEM glass tip outs because they look the best, they fit the best, and we think they're the best. They're the most expensive, but they're the best. This one is obviously all the way open. Oh, some water from when we cleaned it earlier. Opens up, no problem. Clears the roof, no problem at all. Obviously that's a big deal because this is our extended roof. So that's a big deal. This windshield actually has a breather mode as well, which will allow you to open it a few inches, so that way you have a nice breather mode on a hot day. You don't have to have it all the way open, eating bugs, gnats, mosquitoes, whatever, dust, but you've got a nice breeze coming in still. So that leads me to the roof. This is our Ranch Armor Package 4 Extended Polaris Ranger one-piece roof. It's got the big boy bazooka tube in here. So this is the 36. This one will blast your eardrums out. Turn it up all the way, you'll be deaf after a few minutes, especially with the windows closed. Everything's controlled from our center control box here, guys. You've got everything, your marine touch panel. You've got your control remote for the bazooka sound bar, so you don't have to reach back and fiddle with it, mess with it while you're riding. Easy access, real convenient. We send all these out ready to go. You decide to order a top like this, exactly like this, it's gonna arrive like this, wired, ready to go, out of the box. So that's something cool. We love to mention that. Light bars on it, guys, 51 front, 7.5 sides, pods in the rear. Obviously 2 dome lights and power outlets inside. Doors, we run Fortress doors on the Polaris vehicles. Good doors. Good price, nice, solid, built here in Texas as well. We definitely support them. They all open suicide on the Polaris too, so it's kind of cool. Nice, solid, they fit nice. Installation's not bad at all. It'll take you about 3-4 hours to get them all on if you're ordering them, and we ship them to you. This one's got the rear glass, pure Polaris glass as well. And again, guys, we recommend the Polaris glass. I mean, it's just the best fitting, best looking windshield. You got a multi-billion-dollar company building your windshields. It's in glass, you know, it's gonna fit and look nice. Brings us to the beautiful rear end. Oh, you know what? Did I mention the bed liner? I don't think I did. Bed liner, something unique about this, and I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, all the panels were done in a green bed liner. The factory green color was matched with this bed liner, and it came out really, really clean. It looks nice. You know, you got sticks, brush, debris rubbing up against this. You're not going to scratch it. It looks good. It's going to last a while. It probably even helps insulate some sound. So that was a really nice touch on this vehicle, which kind of ties it all in, makes it a little bit different. We'll come to the rear end here, guys. Of course, we got the Ranch Armor rear bumper. This customer thought the light back here on our roof, the pods, which is a part of the Package 4 top, he thought it was plenty. So he didn't think he needed lights in the rear, which he'd be right most of the time. Some guys really like to put the flush mounts and tie them in up to the pods. And we can actually send roofs out ready with power leads for your rear bumper. That way you can control your rear lights if you decide to add them with your rear pods, same time, real easy. Bumpers, guys, have been extremely popular with us, extremely. I mean, look at this protection you have back here. You don't have to knock your bed, ever worry about knocking your bed again, back into something, can't see, it's dark. I mean, you have this protection that's just gorgeous. And not to mention, you open your tailgate, you're not gonna scratch it or hit anything. So this bumper has the rear hitch, which I do have to mention while I have you guys, that it is not designed for towing. This is merely for a feeder or a basket or attachment of some kind, light duty, anything you use, it's at your own risk. But this is mainly for putting a feeder back here, not having to worry about it going all the way down and snake into the neck of the factory vehicle. So that's a nice feature for guys who are using these for feed. Other than that, again, we have just been super, super grateful for all the business the past few months. Lots of things across this country are shutting down, and we've just continued to grow, hire employees, and we're just super grateful, super blessed. We're looking forward to more and more of it, and hunting season's coming up. Start prepping early, guys. Get with us. Get with us for your outfits, your builds, your accessories. Let us know how we can help. Plan, do whatever you can so that we can make sure to get you on the schedule, get you ready. Any questions, comment, email, call us. Thanks, guys.